guys, welcome back to my mom channel. Today we are going to make this amazing vanilla cake without frosting. First add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, then sieve them. Now add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder plus 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt, and then sieve them. After sieving them, mix them well. Now take a mixing bowl, add 4 eggs which has a room temperature and it has a medium size. Half cup of sugar. Beat it until it has a foamy consistency until the sugar dissolves. Always beat on low speed. After beating, the foamy consistency should look something like that. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Again beat it for 1 minute on low speed. Now add the dry ingredients in 2 to 3 times. Now mix them gently with folding methods very slowly. And make a batter with no lumps. You can see there is no lump, so our batter is ready. Now take a grease mold. You can take any cake mold you want. Pour the batter in the greased mold. And then tap it 2 to 3 times. And then bake it for preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius in 35 to 40 minutes. It is a Chroma 63 liters OTG. After 40 minutes, insert a toothpick inside the cake. If the peak comes clean, it means it is baked well. After cooling the cake, demold the cake and cut it into slices. Now our cake slices is ready for decoration and icing. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.